So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about CG Power Share. So in previous videos, we have done the complete technical analysis and also we have discussed what can be the near-term targets. So the stock also accordingly, it has performed very well. And since the last few sessions, we have seen a little bit of profit booking. So that is obvious because any stock having a very good rally, obviously little bit of profit booking will be observed, and that is what is seen in CG Power. So if you observe the current levels, so the stock has currently approached the 155 rupees level and it is strictly obeying the 150 as a very strong support. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis both on daily chart followed by weekly chart, and we'll see what can be the near-term targets. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so when we observe the weekly chart of CG Power, so if you see the current levels of the stock, it is at 155 rupees level. So today it has even tested the 150 rupees level very well, and it has shown a retracement as well, because these levels play a very crucial role, because earlier 150 the stock was facing a resistance. So when a previous resistance the stock breaks, obviously it would become the next support. So in the same way, the stock was obeying that particular level very well. So we can take 150 in near term as a strong support. So coming to the rally, if we observe in weekly chart, so we discussed many times about this particular stock, whether it may be near 80 rupees, 100 rupees, again 110. So on regular basis, I've kept updating the levels as well. And if we see the weekly chart, earlier also this type of candle was initiated once. At that point of time also little bit of profit booking was observed. So this type of stock, basically it doesn't give any direct upper circuit, so it goes up, it takes little bit of break, shows little bit of correction, and again it starts its journey. So financials wise also we have to discuss that the stock has started improving basically quarter on quarter basis and year on year basis. So that particular results have made the stock travel in the upside direction. So now comes only thing is patience. So if you're able to watch the 150 rupees level very well, so you can add there. So let's say if you're having, let's say 15 to 20,000, so you can put at least 5 to 6,000 here 150 rupees level if it reaches there, because it is a very strong support. So again, if it retraces, when it confirms its uptrend, you can add the rest of the amount. Right, so 150 you can take as a support, and keeping 160 as a very good resistance. So if it crosses that 160, so you can go for a little bit of buying in this particular stock, and again it will start its new journey. So this is on weekly chart. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so next, if you observe the daily chart very clearly, so you'll observe the stock was traveling in a very good uptrend. So you can see the green line is nothing but the 50-day exponential moving average. So as long as the stock was trading above the 50-day moving average, we can clearly see the stock is clearly in the uptrend. And 150, as I told today, comfortably the stock has approached there and it has not gone below it. So that is one good positive thing. And resistance wise, 160, if it crosses, you can buy in some very good quantity for targets of 180 plus. Right. So 170 is near term resistance. So that also the stock will test. So don't worry about that. So right now, first support is 150. There you can add a half quantity. And next, when it crosses 160, so you can buy the rest of the amounts. Okay. So this is for people who wanted to take fresh entry, and rest of the people who have already invested in it, so keep holding it. And if you want to average or if you want to add some, so 150 is going to be a very good support level. So this is about CG Power, and if you see money flow index, it is near 66. So little bit of profit booking happened. So that's why money flow index has also slightly dropped. So watch the levels very carefully. So obviously the profit booking is basically due to the market. Also we have seen little bit of volatility. So obviously these type of stocks fluctuate in an up and down manner. So keep holding it. So don't try to book or whatever partial profits or losses. So try to average near the best levels and definitely in the long term you will get that benefit. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.